maths for today. The three big maths things are all going to be mental calculations. So the remember twos, add the hundreds, add the tens, add the units, then add the totals. So here, what I'm doing is and I might even jot this down, I do 700 add 600, which I know is 1300. Okay, then I go back to this, 70 add 20, I know is 90. And I know 4 add 2 is 6. I jot them down like this, so then it's easy to see my answer. Okay, I know it's 1396. Okay, and also if you have to carry anything over, you could do it as column. Okay, so that's the way you need to think about that one. The next one is multiplication. So this is simple smart multiplication, really. Okay, and let me show you what I'm talking about. 5 times 3.1. Okay, here it is. What I'm doing is I'm doing 5 lots of 3, which I know is 15, and I'm doing 5 lots of 0.1. So in my head I'm thinking 5 times 0.1. Now I know 5 times 1 is going to be 1, so I know this is going to be, 5 times 1 is 5, so I know this is 10 lots less, so it's going to be 0.5. So my two answers, or two parts, 15 and 0.5. So my answer is 15.5. Okay, I know this as well because 3.1 is slightly bigger than 3. So I know the answer is going to be between 15 and 5 times 4, which is 20. So this is spot on. Okay, then you move to a little bit of subtraction. If I can find my scroller, here it is. This is all number line stuff. Now, what I want you to do is do it in your head if you don't want to do the number line. Okay, so in my head I say to myself, 259, how many to the next 100? So how do I get to 300? So I want to find the difference, because you could count 259, 260, 261, 262, and all the way to 740, and you get your answer. But what we're going to do is we're going to take the shortcut. So we say 259, jigsaw number is 41, so I might even jot that down. So 41 takes me to 300. Then I say, how many from 300 to 740? Well, that's 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. So that's 400 and the 40. I jot that down or keep it in my head. So the two numbers in my head are 41 and 440. So my answer is going to be 481. Okay, so that's that bit. Now, the main activity is to add and subtract fractions with the same denominator. Now, if you can have the same denominator, it works. The key word here is unit fractions. Okay, now a unit fraction is any fraction that has a 1 as its numerator and a positive integer, a number that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, all the way up to infinity. Okay, so that is a unit fraction. Now it says you have to describe it in your own words, and then you have to use it. And with the bar models, 1/3 add 1/3 equals, well, I colour it in, 1/3, 1/3. It's going to equal 2/3. So this shows you the picture and gets you to do the calculation. Okay, have a go. Any problems, let me know.